This is me, about an hour before the 2015 Gorge Waterfalls 50k, reflecting and worrying I'd have what it takes to finish the race. See, exactly 12 weeks earlier, I had suffered a grade 2+ ankle sprain, essentially removing any weight-bearing exercise from the calendar for nearly 8 weeks. With patience and pro help, I was able to get a few weeks of good running in preparation for this, the ultimate test. 32 miles of rock-strewn, technical single track littered with incredible waterfalls. The Gorge Waterfalls 50k wasn't going to be easy, but it sure as hell was going to be fun. Today's goal to finish on what was an injured ankle 2 months ago and is hopefully now a healed ankle, so we'll see. Very excited to be back. It's so beautiful. Let's go enjoy 31 miles out on some of the most beautiful trails on the planet. How about that?
Are you guys excited to see some waterfalls?
A little update. We're at mile 7 3/4, almost 8. Ankle's feeling good. What's funny, this guy, Adam, behind me, witnessed my ankle sprain. You were there when it happened.
Oh, it's pretty intense here. Winding down from Mount Seymour. And boom, there's this ginger dude. We're like, wow, I know that guy. Of course, we didn't want to surround him and make him uncomfortable. We just asked if he was okay and we just kept on going.
We're about to hit the aid station. Can't wait to get some fuel. Got to the halfway mark, and I figured I'd update you guys every once in a while, just kind of how things are playing out. Ankle is holding up great. Nutrition, just trying to keep it on point. An incredible course. I forget how beautiful it is. And so many incredible spots. Halfway, 15 miles to go. We can handle that. Crank that music, back to running. This is my best friend Justin. who traveled all the way to Oregon to bust his ass to help me get some shots over the course of the weekend. While we're ripping through waterfalls, looks like he filmed some adventures of his own. Thanks for saving us some, Justin. You're the best. About mile 23, 24, and I just fell. Got a pretty good crash, but nothing bad. Little blood, shake it off, scrape it off. So awesome today, so awesome. Woo! That's it, last aid station. Time to finish. Mile 26, or just about 5 miles left. This is what undertraining looks like. My legs are jacked, pain is temporary, and finishing is forever. No, that doesn't make any sense. Time to keep grinding. We are climbing up Multnomah Falls now. Toughest part of the race. Last 4 miles, 11 switchbacks plus, and a lot of tourists. Waterfall is absolutely stunning. I feel like shit, and a couple miles left, but that helps wake me up. Let's wrap this up. So done. So done. Just started the downhill. This is the section that last year it was 34 degrees and was hailing up here. I didn't film any of it because I think it's a little delirious, but it was pretty nasty. So I am completely done. Can barely keep it together right now. Totally undertrained, but ankle is holding up. So fun. I hope Kim is doing well. Let's just get to the finish already. Come on. About to be done. So ready for beer. No high five, hug. Hug. All right, high five.
Great job, dude.
Doesn't get any easier. Wow. It's just as hard as it was last year. It's a hard course.
I'm going by mine.
That is it, my friends. That wraps up the Gorge 50k. Felt really solid. The ankle is back. So awesome to say. But otherwise, I need some more training because I got a 100k coming up in a couple of months, and we're gonna wait around because Kim is about to finish, and I am so proud of her. I can't wait. That is it from the Gorge this year, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel. There's gonna be lots more content just like that, and I have to give a major thank you to Range Shadow Running for putting on, of course, one of the best events ever. I have to give great thanks to my best friend Justin Sun and Destiny's Son for helping me film this whole thing. We'll see you guys next year. Train hard, race harder, party hardest. Gary Robbins, everybody. Look at this. I can't even get the whole, oh, I guess I can.
This is actually the race finish and start arch. So everybody starts in the tent tomorrow morning. It's laps around the tent for 10 hours, actually.
Unbelievable.
So only passing on the left.
This is Gary's tent. This is where he's staying tonight. This wing is his. This wing is the...
we rent out the other wing
the
sometimes
staff,
from time to time. It does come down to 4 bedrooms if need be. Tonight it'll just be 2 bedrooms.
Always a delight to have this guy in any of my videos or have him on camera. He's awesome. Gary Robinson. I love you, man. You're the best.
Thanks, dude.